Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and we are looking at 118 Seabury Street, apartment 1N. This is a first floor, 2-bedroom apartment located in Central Fall River. This unit has both hardwood floor and tile floor in the kitchen and bathroom. Here we have the main living room slash dining room area. As you can see here, we have the space heater along with a storage closet off to the side. Moving around past the fridge and the front door entrance, you can see a beautiful 3-window setup here, looking out to the off-street parking in the back as well. Moving on to the first bedroom. The bedrooms are not too large, enough to fit a full-size mattress at most. You can see the yard in the back as well. And each bedroom has its own closet. Walls have been repainted recently as well. Moving back around, we have the other bedroom right on its side. This room does have a cable hookup for your TV and internet needs. You see the closet here as well. Going back out to the right, we have the kitchen with the gas stove and the tile floor as mentioned earlier. Stainless steel sink and some cabinets above. You can see some decorative trim out at the top. Tile backsplash for this as well. And then we have the bathroom area. And it does have a full-size tub and shower. And this unit is managed by Nexus Property Management, so you do have benefits such as key copying services, making rent payments online, as well as access to a 24-hour hotline number for all your maintenance and repair needs. Again, this is 118 Seabury Street, apartment 1N in Fall River, Massachusetts.